guys, it's Phoenix's Fishing and Boating Adventures here, and today I'll be putting a new Parsun 5 horsepower on my boat here. So this is a really good brand if anybody's wondering. The Parsun quality is power. Now I'll be unboxing my Parsun 5 horsepower. Here's the motor. Horsepower has been unboxed here. And the good thing about it, it's a 4-stroke, so you don't have to mix oil into it. And it has a reverse. Forward, neutral, and reverse. And it has here a red cord. So if you have this red cord on you, then this, if that pulls out, then it can't be started without this red cord in here, in there. I've got my motor on my boat here, and the thing is, with it, you want it centered, and you want it 90 degrees directly straight up and down. I'll be showing you how to put the 4-stroke marine engine oil in it. So first, you want to do this latch here, and then there'll be another latch on this side. You have to do. Just like that, and then the cover can be taken off, and that is the inside of the motor. Just like that. So over here, seen this orange twisty thing here? You untwist this. Just like this. You just keep twisting, and if you don't have a spare jerry can like I do, there's an internal fuel tank as well. But at the moment I'll be showing you how to put the engine oil into it. Once you have your funnel, you can put it into your boat like this. Pour a little bit in. So once you've put the oil in, you want to take your dipstick out to check the level, and you can see that the level is up to the top line. That means that it's good to go. For the first hour, you want your motor to break it in. You want it on the red arrow to there. And then for the second hour, you want it 3/4, and then for the next 8 hours, on no more than 5 minutes at a time at full throttle. So I hope that helps you to know how to break in a brand new boat motor.